The value of the mean is always affected when which of the following operations occur. Either A, the value of a single score is changed, B, a new score is added to the distribution, C, a score is removed from the distribution, or D, all of the above. Now it might seem like it should be D, all of the above, simply because adding or removing a score definitely seems like it should be affecting the mean, and it's easy to see why. Let's take a really simple set of numbers like 1, 2, and 3. Now if I want my mean, let's pretend that this is a population, so my formula is the sum of x over n. My sum of x is going to be equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3. That gives me 6. My sample size is 3, and so the mean will be 6 over 3. That gives me 2. My mean will be equals to 2. Now what if I were to remove a number? Let's take away the first number. So I've got just 2 and the 3 left. My new sum is going to be 5. I only have 2 scores. 5 divided by 2, my new mean is going to be 2.5. So I removed a score and the mean was affected. It went from 2 to being 2.5. But what if I didn't remove the 1? What if I removed the 2 instead? So if I had 1 and 3, my new sum is going to be 4, and n equals to 2. My mean will be 4 divided by 2. It's going to be 2. This mean did not change. So I removed a score, and the score, or the mean of the new set of numbers didn't change. If I had my original set of numbers, 1, 2, 3, and I added a 2, so now I'm adding a number, you can see that this is going to end up being 1 plus 2, that makes 3, plus another 3 makes 6, plus another 2 makes 8. I now have an extra score, so I've got 4 scores instead of my original 3 scores. My mean is going to be 8 divided by 4. It's going to be 2. So if I take away the number that was the mean, or if I add a number equal to the mean, then I won't be affecting the mean itself when I change from one set of numbers to a new set of numbers. So adding a score doesn't always change the mean. Removing a score doesn't always change the mean, so it can't be all of the above. The answer instead is when the value of a single score is changed. That doesn't mean added or removed. It means I change an actual value. There's no way that I could change one and only one of these scores and somehow still get the mean equals to 2. I could change 2 scores. I could make this one a 2 and this one a 1. That would give me the same result. I could change all 3 of these scores and still get an average of 2. But there's no way to change a single score, because changing a single score is going to change the total. And so when you change the total to a new number, you're going to get a new mean. So the answer here is A.